So when we are making the first cost, what we are incurring here, which is very clearly stated in the question for ABC manufacturer of staplers, is raw material. The second cost what we are incurring is direct labor. That is another cost which we are incurring. And that cost comes to 8,000 again. Okay, but if I'm buying, I am not going to incur this cost. I hope making and buying funda is clear for you all. Once again, I will take you to the round of your canteen. When we talk about making, they incurred the cost. Suppose I am making a sandwich, so the cost of bread, the cost of all vegetables which is required to manufacture the sandwiches is all incurred. But if I am selling in canteen the chocolates or the soft drinks, thereby these costs for making them is not required. They are having some cost which is incurred for those. I mean, one thing I am doing manufacturing and selling, other I am just trading and selling. So I'm just a trader. I'm buying and selling to the customer. So here it is not the case. Here, if suppose you are making, you are going to incur these many costs, and if you are buying, you will have to incur this many costs. So now you have to decide, and you have to suggest to your client whether they should go and make this product or they should directly buy this product. So the next cost what they are going to incur is variable overhead. That is 10,500. Next, general and fixed overhead. It is
14,000, sir.
14,000. Yeah, if someone is, but the problem is when I'm giving the question, you all are mum. Na? So as I told you, fixed cost is fixed for everyone. It has to be incurred in all the cases. I have given you very clear basic fundamental also. It will remain fixed in short run. Whether there is no activity, then also you have to incur. Yes or no? Whereas variable cost incurred only when there is an activity. So I told you even in the example of your canteen wala, this batata and all, during lockdown, those costs were not there with them. But rent of the premises which they have taken, rent of the canteen were there on their shoulder. So that is the difference when it comes to fixed cost. Okay. Then what additional cost they have to incur? That will be for 10,000 plate, it is 400 rupees. So for 1 lakh plate, what will be the cost? 400 for 1,000 plate. For 1 lakh, it will be how much? Can you tell me the answer? Anyone from your end?
40,000, sir.
Absolutely right answer. Only 20 you have to incorporate here. Okay. So if I will buy, I have to make additional cost Cost of buying product will not be incurred here, but that can be incorporated here. But one thing is there which has been mentioned here, that if you are not making that plant and that space for manufacturing it, you can get an annual rent of 5,000. Again, these are the annual production. Okay, so if I am not using and I am buying, so definitely these plant and everything is kept idle, and I can put it on rental basis and I can save that much money. Agreed or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So we can say that saving cost of rent if we will buy. If we will buy, then only this cost will be there and it will save my 5,000. Why? Because I'm additionally going to get it cost. So what is the total cost which we are incurring? Get me the total of this and total of this.
$41,000 to make the product.
41,000 to make the product.
And 49 to buy.
49,000 if I'm buying the product. Tell me which option you will go. Whether you will make or you will buy.
Make the product.
Of course. I hope things are clear to you all. Yes or no?
So,
Yes, sir.
You will understand more when you will do more problems. So now let us see how many questions we have for make or buy.
सर
Yes.
सर कैसे पता चलेगा मेकिंग प्रोडक्ट है या फिर बाय प्रोडक्ट है?
अरे बाबा दिया है ना इसमें सारा चीज. ऐसे
यस सर, एक्चुअली सर उसका मीनिंग ही नहीं पता है, मतलब कैसे हम अलग करेंगे, क्लासिफाई करेंगे?
क्वेश्चन में दिया रहेगा ना कि आप ये प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे हो, कोई ना कोई सेंटेंस दिया रहेगा, कहीं ना कहीं
Okay.
डिटेल रहेगी कि भाई अगर हम मैन्युफैक्चर करते तो मेरे को इतना कॉस्ट है. अभी मैं इसलिए बोला ना, यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड अंटिल अनलेस यू डू फ्यू क्वेश्चन एज अ होमवर्क. वैसे ही सेल्स मिक्स अभी मैंने सिखाया था, आपको नहीं समझा. जब आपने 5-7 क्वेश्चन किए तो आपको समझ में आ रहे बाबा हाँ ऐसा होता है सेल्स मिक्स, एंड देन वी डिसाइड विच इज द बेस्ट मिक्स which we should go for. Yes or no?
यस सर।
सिमिलरली मेक एंड बाय में हम लोग क्वेश्चंस करेंगे आगे, देन वी विल रियलाइज।
सर मेक में किस टाइप के कॉस्ट आते हैं एंड बाय में?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, मेक में आपको जैसे मैं बताया ना, देर आर टू काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स। ओके, से फॉर एग्जांपल हाँ, let us take an example of soft, I mean, what we are calling it as when we go in hotel and we order soft drink. It's this way.
ओके।
See, when we are going to restaurant and we order some, appetizer or soft drink, mojito and different flavor, and they charge something 40 rupees or 50 rupees, where they make it and giving it. There is another product of cold drink. We order suppose Coke or whatever you prefer, and there that directly which is manufactured by Coke and giving it to you. Okay?
Yes sir, understood.
So then they compare where which cost is. So here when we talk about making, I can again recollect you to your FY BCom. You have seen manufacturing account, trading and profit and loss. And if you are only talking about trading, your FIJC, where you have just trading account and profit and loss account. You buy the product and you sell the product. In making, you manufacture the product from raw material to finished goods. And that is why I always give the example of your canteen. Canteen may they do both the things. They manufacture and sell also, and they trade also. Soft drink and all, they just trade. They're not manufacturing. And if it comes to your sandwich or vada pav or something like that, then in that case they are manufacturing and selling it. I hope things are clear to you.
Yes sir.
Thank you. Number 9. Question number 9 also you can take it as for make or taking the overseas offer to be accepted or not. Question number 9, page number 35. Question number 9, page number 35. This one. So try with your own. Only one correction is there. It is not 5%. It is 50%. 50% of his plant capacity. Let me see how much you understood. Do the question number 9. If you are unable to do, then again I will help you. Acha, before going to question number 9, wait. One more hint I need to give, which is question number 2 only. Then it will be easier for you to understand. Yeah, a very simple one. So if a manufacturing company operating at 75% of its full capacity, and it is proposed to an offer of price reduction from 5% to 100% depending upon volume desired, given below are the relevant data. If 75%, these are the production, these are the costs. If 85%, these are the production, these are the costs. If it is 100%, these are the production, these are the costs. Okay? These are the fixed overhead, these are the variable overhead, these are semi-variable overhead. Prepare a statement showing the variable, fixed, total cost, profit, etc. at 75%, 85% and 100%. And also indicate